Hey, so this is the vent knockdown demo. So I have your vent here, and if you click on it, you can see a little animation plays. You can make your own. You're gonna have to make your own actually, because Roblox doesn't allow creators to use animations of other people. You can see the animation plays. The vent gets knocked up, and on the third hit, it goes all the way up, and then you can pass through. It's really simple, and it's also client-sided as well. And it also works like if you have 2 vents, 3 vents. You don't have to do anything. It'll still work for both of them. As you can see. And yeah, that's it. Let me know if there's any changes I need to make.